Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin with freshly cleansed skin and gently pat your face until slightly damp. Wait 1 to 2 minutes so residual moisture remains on the skin. Pour 2-3 drops of toner into your palms or saturate 1 cotton pad. Press the toner into the cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin using outward motions. Allow the toner to absorb naturally for 30-60 seconds before moving to the next step. This brief wait preserves the toner's pH effect and prepares skin for better serum penetration. Dispense 2-3 drops of serum into your palm and warm it slightly between both hands. Use fingertips to dot the serum across your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin evenly. Press the serum into the skin using gentle upward motions for 20-30 seconds to aid absorption. Avoid rubbing harshly to prevent irritation and product loss. After pressing, let the serum set on your skin for 30-60 seconds so active ingredients bind before you apply any moisturizer or sunscreen. After the serum has set, apply your moisturizer to seal in active ingredients and restore hydration. In the morning, follow with broad-spectrum SPF as the final step to protect treated skin. Use the toner and serum routine once to twice daily, depending on your skin's tolerance and product instructions. Limit active acids or retinoids on the same application if sensitivity occurs. Store both toner and serum away from heat and light, and replace them within their recommended shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.